Song of Solomon 1 celebrates the love between Solomon and the Shulamite woman, illustrating the beauty of God-given love. How beautiful you are, my darling. Oh, how beautiful. Your eyes are doves. Highlights their admiration and the depth of their affection. This mirrors the purity and dedication of God's love, as seen in Ephesians chapter 5:25. Just as Christ loved the church and gave himself up for her. God's heart reveals that love is more than emotion. It is rooted in respect, commitment, and selflessness. This divine intent calls us to reflect his love in all our relationships. Song of Solomon chapter 2 celebrates the love between Solomon and the Shulamite woman, exemplified in the verse, "My beloved is mine, and I am his." This reflects the unity and devotion of their love, paralleling God's intimate and enduring love for his people. Jeremiah 31:3 declares, "I have loved you with an everlasting love. I have drawn you with unfailing kindness." God's heart reveals a desire for perfect unity and joy in love. He invites us to dwell in the fullness of his love, experiencing its beauty and transformative power in every aspect of life. Song of Solomon chapter 3 illustrates the longing and joy of finding a beloved. "All night long on my bed I looked for the one my heart loves." Reflects our spiritual journey to seek God. Matthew chapter 7:7 promises, "Ask and it will be given to you." God's heart invites us to seek him. And in finding him, we rejoice in his presence. The grand wedding procession of Solomon portrays God's glorious love and protection for his people. It reminds us of the precious union with our heavenly bridegroom, which fulfills our deepest longings and brings eternal joy. Song of Solomon chapter 4 is Solomon's ode to his bride's beauty and purity, climaxing in the declaration, "You are altogether beautiful, my darling. There is no flaw in you." This mirrors Ephesians chapter 5:27, where Christ presents the church as radiant and without blemish. Solomon's description of his bride as a locked garden highlights her purity and uniqueness, reflecting God's deep love and value for his people. This chapter reminds us that God's love is perfect, cherishing every aspect of our being, and calls us to live in the fullness of his transformative grace. Song of Solomon chapter 5 portrays the dramatic interplay of love and yearning between the bride and groom. The bride's words, "I slept, but my heart was awake," and her response to the groom's call, illustrate the spiritual dynamic between God and his people. Her search for the groom mirrors the believer's longing for God's presence. Echoing John chapter 10:27, where Jesus declares, "My sheep listen to my voice." This passage reflects God's ceaseless call to intimacy, and our joy-filled pursuit of him. It reveals the depth of his love and the delight he finds in our yearning to draw near to him. Song of Solomon chapter 6 celebrates the profound beauty of love between Solomon and the Shulamite woman, filled with praise and admiration. Solomon describes her as clear as the morning, fair as the moon, bright as the sun, emphasizing her purity and majesty, mirroring God's view of his people. This resonates with Isaiah chapter 62:3, where God's people are called a crown of splendor in the Lord's hand. It reflects God's heart, delighting in his children's faithfulness, and adorning them with his love. It reminds us of the joy and glory found in God's intimate relationship with us. Song of Solomon chapter 7 beautifully illustrates the deep love between Solomon and the Shulamite woman, celebrating the value and richness of their relationship. Solomon praises her from head to toe, appreciating both her inner worth and outer beauty. This expression of love mirrors the essence of biblical love, symbolizing God's love for Israel and Christ's love for the church. God's love completes us, brings peace, and is unconditional and sacrificial. God's heart desires a union with his people, sharing joy and perfect love through his covenant relationship. Song of Solomon chapter 8 exalts the intensity and beauty of committed love. Love is as strong as death, its jealousy, unyielding as the grave, portrays love as a profound force beyond mere emotion. This verse symbolizes not only marital love, but also the covenantal love God has for his people. God desires to be imprinted like a seal on our hearts and lives, with a love that is fervent and unchanging. God's heart longs for us to find rest in him, and to experience the fullness of joy that comes through his unwavering love.